What's the meaning of consortium? Consortium. Consortium.
Consortium. Consortium. A consortium is a group of organizations or individuals who come together to achieve a common goal. The members of a consortium pool their resources, expertise, and knowledge in order to accomplish a particular task or series of tasks. This can include joint research projects, shared facilities or equipment, or collaborative business ventures. By working together, consortium members can achieve outcomes that would be difficult or impossible for them to accomplish individually. Overall, a consortium represents a collaborative and strategic approach to problem solving or innovation that benefits all of its members.